I welcome you all for a very short tutorial on how to install our PSPICE software. Hope you'd have received the PSPICE software as a zip file to your college mail ID. You please download it, okay? Then go to a download. So it will be as a RAR file. Right click in the zip file. You have to extract. You can choose the location. Okay, I'm going to just download in the C: downloads. Okay, yeah, the PSPICE is downloaded. Okay, you have to open it thrice. Here you are having PSPICE 9.1 Students Edition, right? Right click, open. Right, here you are having the supporting files. In the press this setup application. Okay, the one which I had chosen. Okay, double click over that. Yeah, you can give yes. You can see the setup page of our arcade. The install shield will be open. Yeah, one thing I want to import that is, before installing this PSPICE Students Edition, it is recommended to disable, or you can turn off the any virus detection program, okay, if it is under running. Okay, so better you please turn off all your antivirus software if you have installed, right? So otherwise it will abort our installation of PSPICE. Okay, okay, so we need certain administrative privileges. Give yes. So in this you have to make sure that you are clicking over this capture. So as I have told already, you should not choose the schematics. Schematic in the sense just you are going to draw the diagram. Make sure that you have to click this capture. Press next. Okay. Obviously it will be saved in C: program file arcade demo. If you want to change the location, you can go up for the browse and you can choose the location accordingly. Let me say it in the C: itself. Next. Right. So PSPICE students program folder, give next, again next. So the files are being copying down. Please wait a while. So the updates are going up. Yeah, definitely you will be getting this sort of error. Please ignore that error by pressing OK, because it will be mentioning it will not do up the drag and drop or the double click and all, but it will do. Don't worry. Press click OK. The files are under registration process. Let us wait for a while. Yeah, we have finished the installation of PSPICE. Okay, finish. Okay, the PSPICE students version release note is here for your better clarification. Okay, you can just read over this for your quiet understanding. Okay, that's all regarding the installation of your arcade PSPICE student edition, right? So as the installation taken around 4 minutes only. Okay, the same way within 4 minutes we can do up the experiments also. Okay.